Hello students, welcome in your social study class. Today I will re-explain chapter 4 in Swiss understanding law. Students, you know our country is a democratic country. There are many different type of religions, different type of caste and different type of topography in our country. That's why which government, who made the government of our country? This government is made by the people because there are different type of religions, different type of caste and different type of a landscape of our country. That's why here people select their government own self. They have right to select their government. It means in a democratic country the government is for the people, by the people and to the people. That's why this government is known as the democratic country, because government do or do not work for people as people like the work. That's why the government do according to their choice and make their rules and regulation according to the citizen or people. And here I am explaining who make the laws. Here I have mentioned make the some one flow chart, and you can see here the parliament make law on the subjects given three list, because there are different type of people and they have different type of work and topography. That's why parliament is a large group of government who selected by the people of our country, of our citizen of our country. They selected their representative or government. They create the parliament, and here parliament make the law. And how they make the law, parliament, how it's make the law? It main basis of three lists, on the basis of three subjects. First is the union list, include the subject of the national importance like defense, banking, foreign affairs. Which things are very important for our country, for our whole citizen, for our all states. This is known as the union list. And second is the state list include. In this, the subject state list includes subject of the national important. Every state have their some commercial things like agriculture. Some states have good agriculture, some state have good minerals power, some state has any other things. And but here the state list include the subject of the national importance like agriculture, trade, commercial policies, etc. I mentioned here third point, the concern contains subject of the common interest to both the union. And in third point they mention these both things, like education is also important for all states and for our union list. This is also play important role in our union list and also in states. That's why this thing is also include in the a concurrent list. Okay, the state government such as education, forest are also play very important role for all union list and for all our country, for states, for central government. And next the newspaper and rallies, etc. I hope you get understand these all points, and this flowchart I will send you in your PDF in your homework. You do it in your fair notebook. After that, I will send you question answer and important define. On important defines are those which I have already explained you in previous class. Students, I hope you understand this whole chapter. If you have any queries, any question, any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. See you in next class.